Wow, we're getting attacked. Oh, these fish. Got any? What's that fish there? They're bouncing. They're like kangaroos. Oh, another one. There's a good one. Gotcha. Prawns were meant to be the star of the show, but we got carried away. Okay. Hey, how we doing, guys? I'm just down here in the river. After work, thought I'd come down for a quick little mission. I'm just going to do some underwater footage. I'm really not going to bring home any tucker in case I get some good stuff, but I'm just going to have a look what's down here in the Swan River at night time. Oh, the water's freezing. It's a high tide. I've got some equipment. Got a crab scoop net and a prawn dabbing net. Oh my god, it's freezing. My voice goes high, you probably know why. Oh, there's that. That's what I want. A prawn. A prawn. You beauty. Oh, he jumped out. Oh, idiot. Okay. I'm just going to put this away. There's another prawn there. So my intended species is prawns. Let's get myself organised. Let's go underwater. Oh, there's a, what's that? Is that a fish? Look at that. Is that a prawn? Is that a crab? No. Oh, look at that. Blowfish. So I'm just exploring around, and it is quite sandy here. Oh, there's a prawn right there. See him there? Just, oh, I think he just flicked off. Oh, there's a few little whitefish here. Got a white bait. There's a prawn right there. Tiny one. I'm right near the net. Let's see if I can get him up. Oh, there he is. That looks like a crab. Yeah. Got him. Crab. I just dropped my net behind. That's a crab. Yeah, he's a small one. He's a small one. I can tell straight away. Experienced crab fisherman. Oh, he's actually just in. Look at that. He's in. Well, I was not expecting that. Crab. Put this away. And get this. I do want a few prawns. The wind's starting to come. That's brilliant. Oh, a small one. There's a couple. They're coming towards the light. Yeah, see them jumping? Look at that. Look at that. G'day, mate. It's going right down. Too small. Another prawn there. There's a few more prawns here. There you go. Prawns all over the place. Let's see if I can grab one. Way too small though. There we go. Here's one right here. Got him. Got the little prawn. I think it's so small he'll probably end up coming for the net. So I'll let him be. Look at these guys here. Check him out. Blowfish. Sitting down there, minding his own business. Don't know why they bury themselves under the sand. It's not as if they're going to have too many predators going for them. It's actually getting quite deep here too. So today is a high tide. I don't really worry about tides and that kind of stuff. When I got the time, just go out there and give it a crack. You can see that's a hole. Sometimes a crab might be in there, fossing around, but it's definitely a lot of these blowfish. Look at that fish there. I wonder what it is. I can't see it. Oh, it's like a skippy. It's really strange. Alright, so we get back into the shallows here. So as I said, there's a bit more activity here. There's a lot of white bait hanging around here for the shelter. The predators out there. Probably mainly the tailors. there's heaps of this little baby whitebait. Goodness me, heaps of them. If they're any big, I'd try and scoop up a couple. I'll just go right through the net as well. Let's have a look. Ah, you gotta be quicker than that, mate. Now that's stupid. Oh, so many. Oh, got one. There's a prawn. There he is. Where'd he go? So small. They're so quick. There he is. There he is. Oh, I just lost him. A lot of shells here too. Look at this. Oh, there's a big prawn. Got him. Got him. Oh yes. Told you. It's a nice prawn. Yep. There's only one. To complement that crab. If I don't lose him. Right here, put him in there. There's another one. Good one. Yeah, we got some good tucker there. Right there. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, they're quick. Oh, man. Oh, yes. Straight away here. That could have been the same one. Yeah, he did escape. That was the same one. He escaped. So, I know. I've got 3 prawns in here. 3 prawns in the bucket. And I'll be happy with half a dozen. If I lock the light, I just let the light stay down here, and they'll come towards me. That's what's been happening. And then I'll stand by. Oh, there's a prawn. You hear him bouncing on the water. Oh, he's going to go. He's making a dive for it. He's gone down somewhere. Oh, and I actually caught him. You beauty. How about that for prawn skills? How about that? Terrific. Yeah, it's really cloudy here now. Don't know what happened. I know. So, oh, there's a prawn right here, small one. And he's gone. Another prawn, tiny one. Whew. Too small, mate. Can't fit in the mesh. It's not worth taking. Oh, there's another prawn there, isn't it? No, it's whitebait. Good old days, you could use your big long drag nets for 2 people. Walking the other side used to fill up your buckets within a couple of hours. For some reason their prawns have just gone. I think a lot of people, the old timers would have, oh, remember that? Hey, that prawn is headbutted me, your finger. Little bugger. So I put my torch out. That's it. That guy just jumped in the net by himself. Too small. Let's see. Oh, that's gone. Oh man, they're fast. Let's see. Oh, yep, yeah. This is great fun. Great fun. There you go. Oh, good one here. Got him. Oh, got him. Yep. I know my net wasn't even open too, so I was very lucky. Very lucky. That was a good one. Look, oh, there's one right there. Let's see if I can get him on the way down. Oh, no chance, Tom. I did get him. I got him. Unbelievable. Oh, there's 2 of them in there too. Go. I reckon the prawns and the crabs definitely best fish tucker out there. Especially these river prawns, they're so sweet. They're just absolutely delicious. And the skins are so soft, you can almost just chew right through them. Oh, what's that? That's a mullet. Don't know if you're able to pick that up on the video. It's a mullet. Yeah. Oh, another prawn here. Oh, another one here. I'm getting attacked by prawns. So as soon as I turn around away from the shore, the prawns sort of come towards me. I don't know if you can see that, the city. That's Perth City right there. Oh, they're bouncing. They're like kangaroos. Oh, another one. There's a good one. Gotcha. Now, gotcha. Now, a bit more confident now. I'm going to leave them in the net. That one there is probably a bit too small to pursue. Yeah, too small. Oh, then again, he's in. Right, so we've got a snag here. Oh, that's no, that's on there. My head's just moving all over the place. Wow, we're getting attacked. All of these fish. Got any? What's that fish there? Man, I'm just getting ransacked. Actually getting attacked by all these little fish. I can't catch them. Just want to have a look. What kind of species they are. Here you go. I've got a couple. Yeah, they're coming out of the net. So what's here? Big fallen tree. Yeah, great place for an ambush. And great place to hide for these little fish. That's what exactly they're doing. Okay, right here. Oh, that's a good one. That's got to be prawn of the day. Prawn of the day. Another snag here, another fallen tree. Hey, all the bait fish are hanging around here. That's a good lesson to a lot of fishermen. Snags, hold the fish. Well, the bait, that is. Prawns are right in the shallows. Another one right down here. Probably too small to pursue. Well, that's it, guys, for another little trip. Absolutely great. We'll probably see you home for the cook up. I'm stoked. There you go, right there. Beautiful, beautiful prawn. Right, there you go, a nice handful of prawns. Time for the cook up. So it's going to be basically the usual way of me cooking it outside. Nice and simple, olive oil, garlic. Fresh chili from the garden here. Just got to cut in half. There we go. Right, so I did only catch the one crab, but I got a few spare from the previous trip to make the meal worthwhile. Throwing some chopped up tomatoes. And about a tin of, or about half a tin of water. Just let that simmer away. Make sure the tomatoes are well cooked. See, I've got some nice basil. Just chuck it like that. Alrighty. Right, to finish it all off, put the crabs on the one side. The sauce is here. And in comes the linguine. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just finish the cooking process in that sauce. There we go, and put the crabs back on here. Put them on the top where they belong. Absolutely fantastic. Now over here I've got one of the prawns. Prawns were meant to be the star of the show, but I got carried away. So after this one hand, because I've got my other hand holding the camera, cut the head off. One small river prawn. Speechless. They're just sweet, delicious, very yummy. I find that the smaller the seafood, mind you within limits, the tastier they are. The rest of the prawns are already up. Oh well, I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes, wait for the crew to come. Bon appetit. See you next time. If you like what I'm doing and you're new to the show, hit the subscribe and like button, and see you next time for the next edition. See ya.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish,
Bon appetit.
tucker, man.
Oh, fantastic.
Fish, tucker, fish, tucker, fish, tucker, man.